Ciao mondo, hello world, hola mundo, hello monde, konnichiwa, ni hao, namaste. I'm here in Asiago after the International Vicenza course at another ADQI conference, actually ADQI number 36. And the title of the conference is the interface between extracorporeal lung support and AKI, fluid management and CRRT. And in particular, Professor Marlies Ostermann, who is President-elect of the European Society of Intensive Care, is chair of Group 2, which is dealing with
the interaction of fluids between the patients and the circuit.
So what is the main challenge that you found in this group? What are the topics that are really important?
So there's a fundamental challenge when it comes to fluid management in patients receiving ECMO, because these patients are the sickest in the hospital and they have particular fluid needs, and they receive a treatment with ECMO where the circuit also has particular fluid demands, and the circuit will only work if it is adequately filled and establishes adequate flows. And if patients need extra fluid and the circuit needs fluids, all is fine. As I said, the circuit can only work if it's adequately filled. But there are times where the patient's needs are completely different from the circuit, i.e. the patient may be overloaded and will only get better if fluid is removed. So we have essentially two patients. We have the real patient and we have the circuit with different demands, and really establishing a good collaboration between these two is a real challenge in clinical practice.
So what do you think is the main result of the work group that you chaired?
The result is, first of all, to highlight the fact that fluid management in patients receiving ECMO has extra challenges. Number two, the challenges between adult patients are also different when looking at children who need ECMO, and then it is even more different when it comes to neonates. So really we need specialist expertise and awareness. And importantly, it is possible to harmonize this with skills, attention to detail, and being aware of the potential risks.
Okay, and any hint on the future research we should do on this field?
At the moment, we have no tools in clinical practice to assess and monitor fluid status. So the tools we're using are all inadequate. We need much better tools, technologies, biomarkers, imaging, to help us essentially balancing and harmonizing the need of the circuit with that of the patient. And there's an urgent need for this.
Okay, thank you very much. And thank you for joining today Cappuccino from Asiago, Italy, where we're dealing with the complex issue of fluid management in patients with ECMO and potentially combined with CRRT. Thank you, Marlies, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Excellent.